Here are the five majors we'll have in 2025 in order to gain mastery. I'm going to list them one by one, and then we will take you through each one of them as we go through this video. The first skill I want to take you here is prompt engineering. The second skill is AI assistant software development. The third skill, it is AI design. The fourth skill is AI video editing. The skill number 5 is AI copywriting. Communicating with AI system has become as valuable as coding software was in the early 2000s. Here it is all about crafting the message, how to talk to the AI. If you don't know how to do this, then every input that you introduce inside the AI is the same output that you're going to get. So every garbage in is every garbage out. For example, if you tap create me a marketing strategy, this is not actually how to use our AI, or using AI as a search engine. This is not the best way of using the AI system. You need to have this skill called the prompt engineering. Yes, actually the blueprint on how to write great prompts. You assign your role to AI. Number 2, give an example to AI. Number 3, be clear and specific. And number 4, request a format. We want to run down all this one by one. The first one, assign a role to AI. Imagine you enter a room full with people who are expert in their respective field of endeavor. And all these people are given to you to be your team and to work for you. Among these people, you have experts in marketing, experts in sales, expert programmers and consultants. It's exactly what AI is for you. AI is actually all these people that you need to now use in your advantage. Now, writing a great prompt is very important to be able to assign a task to each of these people. When you are talking to the AI, you have to say, act as a professional designer, act as a professional marketer, because if you don't tell it how to process the information, then it can't give you the specific you need to get the best output. Number 2, give an example to the AI. Give him an example, give him the data that it requires. More information and the more example, then the better output I get from the AI. When I have AI to help me with my marketing strategy, I have to give you an example of what a great data of marketing strategy look like. Be clear and specific. Give very clear instruction of what you want and be specific on the demand. The more specific you are in your prompt, the better the response is going to be. Now, the fourth one is request a format. There's no way I want to respond without telling AI how I want it to be crafted, right? Do I want it in a short form? Do I want it in a PDF? Do I want it in a bullet point? Do I want it to be listed? Do I want it in a form of a spreadsheet? Whatever the format you need, you have to tell the AI. If you don't, it will just give you a blank text and not the actually inside that you need from the AI. So this is why it's important to request a format for your output. Look at the better example of how to write a great prompt. That's all the 4 main points that we're talking about on AI prompt engineering. So act as a digital marketer with years of experience in running ads campaign. That is the role that are given to him. You want to increase the conversion rate for this ads campaign through copywriting. That's an example that I'm giving. That's the data I'm giving into AI. I say, please break it down into structure with different sections. I'm being clear and specific here. And I would like bullet points for the main benefits. I've given a format. I've got a format of bullet points. And when I enter, the AI will not produce to me the output that I actually need. The skill number 2 that we're going to be looking at right now, it is AI assistant software development. Most people don't realize that building a software today can be done by people with zero knowledge on coding. These people are not programmers. You may not be a programmer, but it's possible for you to build a software, build an app that is useful for your business growth, growing your audience, and then useful for selling your product and marketing your product out there without having the knowledge on coding. Because we have now a wide range of tools available. Tools such as Clothes AI, we have Lovable AI, we have Cursor, we have Retool. These tools are available, and most of them are available for free. It does all the heavy lifting work of writing code for you, and all you do is to input the data of what you want to build using the prompt engineering skill that you already know. So any person can build an app or a website today Now here's how to go about it. You use ChatGPT in order to produce the prompt that you want to build the website or the app with, and then you use the tool to generate that a particular website or a particular app that you want to build. Yes, skill number 3, AI design. That design is no longer about the ability, it is about the creativity of your ideas. Here the AI design skill to master. The first, it is a generative photo. The second is AI photo editing. The third is AI web design. The generative photo. The key is to learn how to master the prompt you enter so that you generate these photorealistic images. You may not be a designer, but AI is. Use ChatGPT to generate the prompt that you need in order to create the kind of image you want to generate. AI photo edit. Think about all the people who have this old and low resolution images. So you can use AI tools such as Photoshop AI or Topaz.ai and turn those images, those low resolution images, to very clear and high resolution images. If I can figure out how to go about it, then you also can do that. Now, the next is AI web design. Not only you can use AI to design the website, you can also use it to code the website. Tool like Figma will help you to design the website, and then tool like Clothes or Lovable AI help you to code the website. The skill number 4, it is the AI video editing skill. I love this one because I used to spend hours in editing videos, cutting noise out of videos, cutting silence out of videos, removing part of the footage that I don't like on the video. But now with AI, they become instant. The crazy part about this is that the video used to be 80% technical skill and 20% creative decision. Now it is all about creative decision, and the technical part is taken care of by the AI. It's like having an event organizer. You prepare all the events and then you just come out to speak. It's powerful. You have your skill to master here: clipping, cutting out noise out of the videos. You can clip out a video for YouTube Short or Reel, Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, TikTok Reels. Tool as Firecutter, Opus Clip can do that effectively for you. We're going to look at all these tools one by one, in a different video. You can write a script and have AI to bring it into a video for you. And then the tool that you can use for that, you have tool like Clean AI, you have tool like Hydra.ai, and the fifth skill is AI copywriting. You should master paraphrasing, creation, and then pattern writing. Tools like QuickBooks AI. QuickBooks can help you to paraphrase so that you can feel like being the author. You can take an idea that is somebody you have written and then it's good, and then you don't want to actually reproduce the same idea the way the person reproduces it. You want it to come out from you. You want something that comes out from you, right? And then you can use those tools to paraphrase. This paraphrasing will help you to avoid plagiarism, so that you can be the author of your idea. And then now the creation, you can use this tool called Script.ai to actually help you to build, even created a book, pattern writing. The pattern writing part, it is about AI look at the pattern of writing of bestsellers, best authors, particular book or a particular magazine or a particular blog post, and bring out exactly the same way like a bestseller or a successful writer can do that. So these are the 5 AI skills you need to master in order to have the blueprint of AI domination with you in 2025. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like.